Today, we will be talking about the true meaning of virtual assistant. Hey there, Outstanders! I'm Connie Zabala, and I'm here to help you make your transition from being an employee to an online entrepreneur effortless. So today, we will be discussing about what a virtual assistant really is. By the way, I have a bonus tip, so make sure that you watch till the end of the video. So what is a virtual assistant? You may have heard that term before, or this is the first time you're hearing it, but you do not actually know what it is. And maybe you misunderstood it at some point because people shared you a wrong information. So don't worry, that's fine. That's why I created this video, to make it clear to you and share you what a virtual assistant really is. Now, at the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of what a VA is and who should be a VA, and a bonus tip. If you want to be part of the VA industry, you have to make sure that you know what that is. And it's my responsibility to inform you right, and it's your turn to get it right and share it right as well. Now here goes. A virtual assistant is a person who helps entrepreneurs or business owners online with certain tasks. That's the simple meaning of virtual assistants. What most of the people thought what a virtual assistant is that these people are secretary, these are executive assistants or personal assistants. They heard the word assistant and they already have that immediate understanding. And it's actually normal, especially for Filipinos. It's kind of sad because even those who are already a VA think the same. When a person does something online for a business owner, that's what you call virtual assistants, alright? And you are just clearly providing online services to help the clients. That's just it. Hey, I have nothing against secretary or personal assistants. Let's just be clear on that. I'm just here clarifying the misunderstanding. And this is actually normal. I find videos here in YouTube who misunderstood what a VA is. That's the reason why I have to create this video. Now, the virtual assistant world is actually huge. So we have to specify and niche down when it comes to the services. Now, there are many different types of VAs or VA niches or VA categories or VA just however you call it. Now, let me explain further. There are VAs who are helping a client or a business owner in many things, mostly general admin. So that's what you call them, general VAs or admin VAs or general admin VAs. So there are also VAs who are helping in social media. Now, social media is actually huge. Social media management and social media marketing is most of the time different. And we still have to niche down on social media. So we sometimes call these VAs more specific. Like, for example, Instagram marketing VA or Facebook marketing VA or YouTube marketing VA. There are also VAs that are writers. So you may refer them as copywriter VA, content writer VA, or even a niche writer VA. And there are also those VAs who manage a website. And probably it's a WordPress website. So guess what you call them? A WordPress VA. Now, there are also VAs or people who manage online stores. They are called depending on the platform they are using or they are managing. There are Shopify VAs or FBA VAs or e-commerce VAs. Now, should I go on? I think you get it by now. Now, before I continue, if you're liking this video and you're learning, how about hitting that like button below or subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications. So, to continue with the topic, here's another thing that I want you aspiring VAs to remember. you are an independent contractor, meaning you are a business owner, you are an entrepreneur, you are not employee. I know that I've been saying this from the past videos, and I have to say it again and again because I have to remind you that you are a business owner. You make your own decisions, your terms, your conditions, and when you absorb that entrepreneurial mindset, you think of how you can give value to your customers, to your audience, to your clients, instead of what you are getting as an employee. So remember, virtual assistants are business owners, are entrepreneurs, and not employees. Now, why am I emphasizing this? Because I want you to think highly of yourself. I want you to think that as a VA, you must give value to your clients. You are your own boss. Thinking that you own your business will help you change the way you provide service, the way how you do your business, and the way you think of yourself. Believe me, if you switch from that mindset, you will be different. I'm glad that it's all cleared up now. The next question is, who can be a virtual assistant? Let me tell you in all honesty that everybody can be a VA. However, not everyone can be one. What do I mean by that? People are always interested. They want to learn something. Why people are successful VAs? Because it depends on them. It depends on their lifestyle. It depends on their personality, in their learning, in how they perceive the business. You can learn the best course online on how to become a VA. You can enroll on the most expensive and extravagant courses, or you can hire the best coach. If you won't apply and implement those lessons that you're learning, how can you be a successful VA? How can you be a VA in the first place, right? Here's the bonus tip. Is there a future for a virtual assistant? Now the answer is definitely yes. Of course, depending on your goals, VA has many possible directions. It's always up to you. Today I'm giving you 3 major directions or goals that should you pursue a VA business. Number 1 is to mentor someone who is just starting in the VA industry. So it's either you share videos or you share articles, or you create an online course or do one-on-one mentoring program. It's actually up to you. So the goal here is to not keep all the lessons to yourself, but to share those experience and lessons to those who want to become a VA. The second direction is you will become an OBM or online business manager, or a PM or a project manager. Because most of the time, VAs handle so many tasks. So it's normal for clients to trust these VAs to handle more complicated tasks, especially when it comes to manpower. Now, the third direction of a VA is to build your own virtual assistant agency. This will be building your own company and having a team of virtual assistants with different niches. So you will be getting people to do VA tasks, but you will be the one to represent the company, and you will be the one talking with clients. In the coming videos, I will be interviewing someone who was a VA and had leveled up their business in either one of the 3 directions that I've shared with you today. So watch out for that. Now, it's time to hear your POVs, your points of views. When you heard the term virtual assistant for the first time, what did you think of it? Let's just be real. Share them in the comments below, and I'll look forward to reading them. And also, don't forget to subscribe or hit that like button, or share this video if this was helpful to you. So thank you for watching. Again, this is Connie Zabala, and together we can make this VA journey more enjoyable. Bye!